How to share BeReal post on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to share your BeReal post on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your BeReal app and this is where you will get. So on BeReal, we can post different memories and we post pictures. Sometimes we want to share this on our Instagram as well so that our followers on Instagram can also see what we posted or just for fun. So how to do that? It's actually really easy to do. Once you open up your BeReal and you have posted some BeReals on your account, you can access them by going to your profile. Then you will be able to find them in your memories. Right here, you can see we have a calendar. So select the memory you want to share on Instagram. So I have selected this one. This is one of the memories that I posted yesterday. So you can see we have these options now available. We have Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So what you need to do is you will click on Instagram icon and it will open up your Instagram for you. Make sure to sign into your Instagram. And now you can see this will be posted as my story on Instagram. And you can see it also says BeReal. So I will now just add it in my story, maybe add a sticker of the time right here. And then maybe we can add a text. So this is how you can add it to your story. Click on post and your BeReal will be shared on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.